Whoa. Wow. What is up, guys? My name is Chase, and today is a very exciting day because we're unboxing the Mac Studio finally. This is the M1 Ultra Mac Studio with 64 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage. I guess let's just get into it and then we can kind of talk about it. This box has a handle, which is really nice actually. It almost feels like an Apple Watch band. So that's fun. We can carry around our little Mac Studio with us. Here goes everything. Wow. Oh boy. Beep beep, here comes the future. How do you open the box? Wow. This box is so complicated. I need instructions for the box. Well, I guess before we even get to the machine, classic design by Apple in California. Do we get Apple stickers? Heck yeah. We got a big boy Apple sticker. Look at that. Holy cannoli. It's like the size of my face almost. We got like instructions and stuff. Nice little intro pamphlet. I guess we just lift it out of the box. Oh god. Oh my god, this thing's heavy. Holy cannoli. Jeez Louise. Alright. So, and then we got the power cable right here. Unlike the studio display, the power cable can actually come out, which is nice. It looks like that's it. I mean, this is like a weird transformer box. We push in the sides and then close it up. That's actually really nice. Good box design. And then also on the box, there's the front of the Mac Studio and then the back of the Mac Studio, of course. So yeah, that is the Mac Studio itself. What do we do next? This is like Christmas morning. I don't know what to do. There's so much to unpack here. Let's do the mouse and keyboard first. So I got the Black Magic Mouse. Wow. Ta-da! Black Magic Mouse. Wow, my first ever Black Magic Mouse. It comes with a Lightning to USB-C cable in black. That's pretty cool looking, not gonna lie. And then we have the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID in black, which is pretty cool looking too. Okay. Wow, it just pulls out like that. Holy cannoli. Alright. Wow. Look at this guy. This is actually the first time I ever got the one with the numeric pad on it. And of course, this one also comes with a black Lightning to USB-C. Wow. Look at that. Wow. And here's the back. It's all black. It's pretty cool. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The heckin' Mac Studio. Uh-oh, no, I tore it. Oh no, the value just dropped by 95%. Okay, don't rip the paper. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, there's already smudges on it, I can see it from my greasy thumbs. It's heavy. This is surprisingly heavy. And yeah, since this is the M1 Ultra, I know that they put some kind of different cooling mechanisms and stuff, so it is quite heavier. I think we get the idea with the power cable. We can probably just leave the power cable for now. Yeah, on this particular model, the M1 Ultra one, these two what look like USB-C ports in the front are Thunderbolt 4. Got an SD card slot in the front, which is really nice. Thank goodness it's in the front. And then on the back, we got the power button, got a headphone jack, HDMI port, 2 USBs, the power input, Ethernet, and 4 USB-Cs. Alright, and of course, how can we forget the giant cheese grater in the back? It's nice that they added a cheese grater function to the Macs. We'll grate some cheese in here. And then on the bottom, we have Mac Studio etched into the bottom. Very nice. Alright, so yeah, this is a heavy freaking machine. So let's talk now. Let me explain what's going on here. 2021, I bought a 27-inch iMac because my 21.5-inch iMac was kind of starting to show its age a little bit. I got it with an Intel i7, which looking back was actually one of my biggest mistakes in life. I figured, it's cheaper, I'll just get the i7, I don't need an i9. I got the 27-inch iMac, for the most part, it worked great. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a great computer. But as I'm doing more like processor intensive stuff, it can kind of have some trouble. So when Apple discontinued the 27-inch iMac and instead they released the Mac Studio with the 27-inch display, I figured, okay, I'm just gonna upgrade to this. And this time I'm not gonna hold back. Like, I'm gonna get the best that I can possibly get, you know, that is within my budget. And yeah, I ended up selling a kidney just to get this computer, basically. Not really, don't do that. And fun fact, sad fact actually, I bought this thing and I don't really have a monitor for it yet. I'm still waiting for the monitor I ordered to come in the mail, so I actually like can't really use this yet, because I am also going to like tear apart my current setup and like build a brand new one with this M1 Max Studio. I especially love the fact that there are so many ports on this thing, especially the USB-Cs, which means that I'm going to be like basically getting a whole bunch of different adapters, and like I want to start running all my things through USB-C because I feel like that will be like more efficient and more, you know, faster. And then I'm also going to be selling my 27-inch iMac, which actually I think will help. Anywhoozos, that was just a quick little unboxing of the M1 Ultra Max Studio. This thing is heavy. It is a chunker boy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of my unboxing videos, feel free to check them out below. For now, my name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.